Hey, what's up, guys? It's the Elevator and Airplane Finder here, and I'm back with a Gemini Jets unboxing. Today, we are going to be unboxing the Southwest 737-700 in New Mexico 1 livery with no winglets. It is a limited edition model, and I bought this off eBay for about 60 bucks, but I had enough money, so yeah. Looks like an awesome model, and it has the mustard tail on it. It's got a brown tail on it. But yeah, I think we should just get to the unboxing of this. So let's do it. And I know exactly where I'm going to put this at the airport. Alright, put the box under there. And here it is. Now we'll unbox it. Alright, here it is. Alright, we got the model out of the plane. We got the plane out of the box. So yeah, sorry about this. I'm doing selfie mode. But yeah, there's the plane itself. It looks really beautiful too. New Mexico 1 livery, and I know exactly where I'm going to put this. Do a go around of it. And now, y'all, we will add it to the terminal. Oh wow, it's not taking up much space, but yeah. So yep, there it is in its new home. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yep, there it is next to the Triple Crown 1 colors. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all later. Bye.